Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best whiteboard sign is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any business, classroom, or even home office, offering a dynamic and erasable surface for brainstorming, presenting information, or simply leaving notes. Its ability to be easily updated makes it a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative to static signage, ensuring your message is always current and relevant. Whether you're looking to enhance communication, boost creativity, or organize your daily tasks, a quality whiteboard sign can significantly improve efficiency and visual appeal in any setting. Number 5. Mr. Pen 14x11 Dry Erase Board. Brighten up your desk or wall with this stylish 14 by 11-inch dry erase board. It comes with everything you need to get started right away. Setting it up is a breeze. Use the included double-sided tapes to attach it to any clean surface without any need for drilling holes. This board offers a durable writing surface perfect for planning your day and staying organized. It's an eco-friendly choice, ready to be reused countless times. Its modern mint green frame complements any office or school environment. Use it as your go-to spot for reminders, ideas, or quick notes. Enjoy a premium magnetic steel surface that wipes clean effortlessly. You won't have to worry about any ghosting or streaking left behind. The included marker is ergonomically designed for comfort, whether you're an adult or a child. It's perfect for daily planning or even educational drawings. What we like? Add a touch of color to your workspace with this stylish board. It features a magnetic steel surface and comes with double-sided tape for easy installation. If you're looking for a small, colorful, and easy-to-hang whiteboard for your fridge, locker, or desk, this is a great choice. What people say. The whiteboard surface is smooth and easy to clean, making it great for daily use. The included markers write clearly and erase completely without leaving any residue. It's lightweight and comes with strong adhesive strips for easy mounting on various surfaces. Number 4. Brand's Frameless Frosted Glass Whiteboard 24x36. Elevate your workspace and boost productivity with this sleek, frameless glass whiteboard. Its stain-resistant frosted surface delivers a clean writing experience, perfect for any setting. Built for long-lasting daily use, this high-quality board features shatter-resistant tempered glass and a modern frameless design. Its surface won't ghost or stain, ensuring a fresh look every time. Install this board quickly and easily with the included hardware. It offers versatile vertical or horizontal mounting to fit any office, classroom, or home. This premium board features a non-porous, ghost-proof surface that wipes clean effortlessly. Enjoy ideal writing, drawing, and erasing without any leftover marks. We are a team of designers and innovators passionate about providing well-designed products. Our goal is to help you feel inspired and create your best work. What we like? Elevate your workspace with this sleek, frameless glass whiteboard. Its stain and ghost-resistant surface ensures a clean writing experience every time. If you need a large, professional-looking whiteboard for your office or home that's easy to clean and looks modern, this is the one for you. What people say. The whiteboard surface is smooth and easy to clean. The included markers write clearly and erase completely. The magnetic backing is strong and holds the board securely to metal surfaces. Number 3. Juvale 6-pack mini chalkboard signs with stand. Elevate any event with these charming table signs. They add a touch of elegance to weddings, business events, and more, serving as versatile table signs or name cards. Showcase your messages in portrait or landscape orientation. They are perfect for catering displays and food stands, enhancing the presentation of your offerings. Update your messages easily with regular or liquid chalk markers. A simple wipe with a cloth keeps them pristine for repeated use as vendor booth items or food labels. Crafted with a sturdy wood base, they offer reliable stability for any occasion. Use them to add a professional touch to your wedding decor or market setup. This set includes 6 signs with bases, perfect for organizing your event. They create a cohesive and stylish presentation, whether used as place cards or buffet display signs. What we like? Add elegance to any occasion with these charming mini chalkboard signs. They are reusable, easy to clean, and feature a sturdy wood base for stability. If you're planning a wedding, banquet, or need attractive food display signs for your small business or coffee shop, these are perfect. What people say. The whiteboard surface is smooth and easy to write on, and the marker erases cleanly. The sign is sturdy and well-made, with a durable frame that can withstand frequent use. It's a great size for displaying important information without taking up too much space. Number 2. Magnetic Arch Wall Decal, Flesh Pink. Transform any empty wall into a space for imaginative play. This magnetic chalkboard is perfect for little ones to draw and explore independently, fostering focus in their own cozy corner. Get playtime started in just 5 minutes with our easy peel and stick design. The strong adhesive ensures it stays put, offering a durable surface for endless creativity and magnetic fun. It's more than just a drawing surface, it's a magnetic play area too. Encourage color sorting and early learning through hands-on play, all while supporting their growing creativity. Add a touch of minimalist style to any room. This sleek arch design creates a dedicated space for quiet play, helping to establish a calming routine for bedtime. Everything you need is included to start the fun right away. It comes with chalk, a cleaning cloth, and a holder, making it a perfect gift for any curious child. What we like? Transform empty walls into endless play with this magnetic arch wall decal. It's a peel and stick magnetic chalkboard designed for toddlers, offering a 3-in-1 draw, play, and early learning surface. If you have a young child and want to create an engaging, independent play area that's easy to install and encourages creativity, this is an ideal solution. What people say. The whiteboard is smooth and easy to clean. It comes with all the necessary mounting hardware, making installation straightforward. The size is perfect for my home office, providing ample writing space without taking up too much wall. Number 1. Excello Global Rustic Double-Sided Whiteboard. Take your writing surface anywhere with this portable easel. Its compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go use, as well as for your home or office. This rustic whiteboard offers dual-sided writing space, all held together by a sturdy wooden frame. It's ideal for a variety of settings, from business meetings to special events. Designed for constant use, this easel board features a thick wooden frame and an adjustable metal stand with a lock. This ensures it remains sturdy and portable, no matter where you place it. Experience guaranteed quality with this heavy-duty product. It's built to last, reflecting over 50 years of manufacturing excellence from a family-owned USA company. This small, portable easel board is a versatile addition to any space. Its tabletop design and wooden frame offer both style and functionality for your daily needs. What we like? This rustic double-sided whiteboard offers a portable and convenient writing surface. It features a sturdy wooden frame and an adjustable stand, making it perfect for various uses. If you need a versatile, portable whiteboard for business, home, or special events that can be easily moved and set up on a table, this easel board is a great option. What people say. The whiteboard surface is smooth and easy to clean, making it perfect for daily use. It comes with all the necessary mounting hardware, so installation was a breeze. The included markers write clearly and erase completely without leaving any residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.